Have you ever dreamed of owning your own home, but felt like it was just out of reach? Maybe you've heard about rental assistance programs that can help you save for a down payment. One such program is Borrowell Rent Advantage. But does it actually work? Let's find out. Owning a home is a major milestone for many people. It's more than just a place to live, it's an investment in your future. However, the high cost of housing, especially in major cities, can make it seem like an impossible dream. That's where rental assistance programs like Borrowell Rent Advantage come in. Borrowell Rent Advantage is a program designed to help renters save for a down payment on a home. The basic idea is that you contribute a portion of your rent each month to a savings account. In return, Borrowell matches your contributions up to a certain amount. This can significantly accelerate your savings journey. Key features of Borrowell Rent Advantage. Matching contributions. Borrowell matches your contributions to your savings account up to a certain limit. This can double your savings rate and help you reach your down payment goal faster. Flexible terms. Borrowell offers flexible terms, allowing you to choose the amount you want to contribute each month and the duration of the program. No fees or penalties. There are no fees or penalties associated with Borrowell Rent Advantage, making it a low-risk way to save for a home. How Borrowell Rent Advantage works. To participate in Borrowell Rent Advantage, you first need to sign up for the program. Once you're enrolled, you'll start contributing a portion of your rent to your savings account each month. Borrowell will then match your contributions, up to the agreed-upon limit. The matching funds are held in a separate account and can be used towards the down payment on a home. You can access these funds once you've found a property you want to purchase. Benefits of Borrowell Rent Advantage. Accelerated savings. By matching your contributions, Borrowell can significantly accelerate your savings for a down payment. This can shorten the time it takes to become a homeowner. No credit check. Unlike many traditional mortgage programs, Borrowell Rent Advantage does not require a credit check. This can make it accessible to people with less than perfect credit histories. Financial education. Borrowell also offers financial education resources to help you make informed decisions about your finances and homeownership. Potential drawbacks. Limited matching amount. The matching amount offered by Borrowell Rent Advantage may be limited. This means you may not be able to save as much as you'd like in a short period. Eligibility requirements. There may be eligibility requirements to participate in Borrowell Rent Advantage, such as having a rental agreement and meeting certain income criteria. Real-life examples. Case Study 1. John and Sarah were struggling to save for a down payment on a home. They decided to enroll in Borrowell Rent Advantage and started contributing 10% of their monthly rent. With Borrowell's matching contributions, they were able to save significantly more than they would have on their own. Case Study 2. Maria, a single mother, was determined to provide a stable home for her children. She joined Borrowell Rent Advantage and was able to save enough for a down payment on a small house within 2 years. Does Borrowell Rent Advantage work? Based on the evidence, it seems that the program can be a valuable tool for saving for a down payment on a home. However, it's important to consider your individual circumstances and the potential drawbacks before deciding if it's right for you. Ultimately, the success of Borrowell Rent Advantage depends on your commitment to saving and your ability to meet the program's requirements. If you're serious about becoming a homeowner and are looking for ways to accelerate your savings journey, Borrowell Rent Advantage may be worth exploring. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.